Hi guys, we're here with Josh Sheeter, the pro mechanic from Colton Haaker, Husqvarna Rockstar Energy, I guess, factory pilot. Hi Josh.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm vlogging and doing everything for shot.
Good to see you.
MXMag and everything.
Cool.
Hey Josh, tell us a little bit about the bike from Colton Haaker.
Okay, well we'll start at the front then. Some of the stuff I do for extreme racing is, first off, I tie wire all my spokes. More than anything, it's a safety thing. In these conditions, the guys are riding through so much sharp objects. Sometimes you could break a spoke, and rather than the spoke breaking and coming out and hitting the fork or hitting the rotor, it's going to hold in place more.
Okay.
And stay tighter longer.
You're riding with a gripster in the front, I guess?
Excuse me?
Gripster? Rim lock?
Oh yeah. Motion Pro rim lock, yeah.
In the front also?
Yeah.
Always?
Yeah, especially in extreme, because we're running such a soft tire, sometimes it has the opportunity to spin.
Okay, great.
And of course we're running the factory
48, 52?
48 forks,
48?
yeah. Running Motion Pro throttle tubes, factory billet aluminum throttle housings, a little bit stronger.
Yes.
Trying to keep it smooth.
He's riding the 250, 300?
300 TPI, yeah. Okay. TE 300. We got a nice trick little metal cap now. So hopefully a little stronger if he does end up upside down in some rocks. This one's gonna outlast the plastic. Yeah.
Okay.
Cycler hand guards, because they're always riding through the brush and whatnot out there. We run the metal bar because it's a little bit stronger. Yeah. Not so many problems. I'm always putting the Teflon tape. You see a little bit here underneath,
so it can slide.
So it can slide and he can move it back himself. Yeah.
Because last year in Red Bull Sea to the Sky, Jarvis got a problem because he broke this one. It's true, I guess, no?
That's about enough movement for me. Yeah, unbreakable ARC lever over on this side. He really likes the feel of the standard clutch lever, so we're still running the standard clutch lever. Yeah.
You don't change the clutch?
He's down. That's all he wants.
Standard clutch.
9mm master cylinder.
So you change it?
Yeah.
Standard it's?
Yes. 9.5.
9.5. Okay, great. And the dashboard?
Well, we got up here, we got our controls, indicator lights. Now that we're running the injected bike, we need to know we have codes that get thrown, low fuel light and the low oil light, and then light switch here.
Great, man. Factory carbon.
2.0 radiator cap, a little bit higher. I think standard's 1.8.
Yes.
Just prevent overheating a little more. Running the standard fan on it.
2 fans? 1 fan?
Just one.
Not 2 with the TPI is getting hotter?
No, it's not getting hotter, but I think it's creating enough power. If we really needed to run 2, we could. But I haven't experienced it running any hotter than the old bike.
Okay. Is somebody running 2, you guess?
Not on our team, no.
No, okay.
I suggested to Kevin Gallus, a German rider, because he's always breaking his fan, so maybe he has 2.
But he's riding, I think, carburetor still.
No?
Not anymore? Super Enduro he did.
Yeah, he did good too.
He did good.
So, Guts racing seats, yeah. These guys stopped by today and make sure we're all taken care of. Factory shock.
Show us here, what did you do here on the radiator tubes?
So I put this DEI hose covering on it. It's like extra insulation. So it's helping keep the coolant cooler. And also maybe if the pipe bends in sometimes into the hose, it's going to prevent it from melting through as fast.
But it's an extra radiator tube? No, it's something different.
No, it's just like a cover.
It's a cover.
Yeah.
Okay.
A fiberglass cover, more or less.
This is also a new trick part, I guess?
Carbon fiber guard I put some insulation on the back, and it's just protecting some heat from the pipe to the injector. Because see how close the injector is right behind this, and the pipe is producing a lot of heat, and I'm hoping not to boil the fuel.
Okay, it's good. So actually, just to cool off the injectors.
Yes.
Okay.
And protect them. Also protecting them if the pipe
bends.
I mean, in this racing, no matter what, the race is going to end, the pipe's going to be smashed a bit. Yeah. And if it gets smashed too much, we're doing everything we can to protect it, the motor and whatnot.
Why don't you ride the pipe carbon fiber cover?
Well, I found that when we have the carbon, if you hit the carbon, it's bending the pipe up here instead of just denting it.
Okay.
So I'd rather have a little dent than the whole pipe moving.
Moving and getting fit on the
engine, or
engine
it could potentially mess up the manifold even.
Yeah, that's good.
I guess that's another thing I could show you up here. On the manifold, on the intake, we add
Whoa! What's this?
this manifold guard. So we've had them actually break when they hit the pipe. So we run this instead, and it's not really breaking now.
Oh, and you do a little Teflon on plus so it doesn't fit.
It is silicone, just so it doesn't leak so much.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes it's like almost always the two-stroke is leaking a little bit there. But
And it makes the fucking stupid noise.
yeah. We don't want any of that.
Then this small trick, I also do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never seen one come off, but you know, it's gonna
Just trust.
Yeah. Enduro engineering brake tip. These things are awesome. Super tough. It'll bend, but it won't break. You know.
So the cable and also this little...
Yeah. So the brake snake is there so that the branches can't get stuck and pull it out. And this thing's so strong. It's stainless steel, but it'll bend, but it won't break off.
Okay, great.
IMS foot pegs. These things are super freaking sharp.
Huge bag.
You got to be careful with those. They'll hurt you.
They bite your teeth.
Yeah, I put a hole in a gas can one time, just filling up the gas. I set the gas can here, there's a hole in it.
Okay.
Done.
Then carbon fiber sliding
Yeah,
skid plate.
Carbon fiber skid plate, and then I add this. This is Seahorn SXS skid plate linkage guard.
This is the brakes.
That's you got to push down.
And this is where you put your feet.
Ever since they took
And the
brake
gas is
off
on the
those
left, Billy.
bikes,
The gas is
it's
on the left.
starting to
This is the gas.
Gas,
The
open,
gas.
wide open.
Yes, and this is the engine brake.
Engine brake.
Engine
Ah, it's a,
brake,
you get a
yeah,
handbrake
yeah.
also.
This is the engine brake. And this is where you put your hands for when you make a Superman.
Yeah, you feel,
You're gonna
like
do a
that one,
Superman
Billy?
C grab?
Yeah.
Or it's for a pussy? Pussy inside? No.
No comment.
Great. Then a little bit mousse on top.
You like this? This is just my vent hose and preventing the water from getting in or sucking back here.
Standard front pipe.
Standard front pipe, yeah.
And the titanium 2.1.
FMF long muffler.
Long muffler.
Yeah, this is the longer version. They offer us two for this bike, and they like the longer one for the Extreme Enduro.
Okay, different than Lagares.
Same as Lagares.
Same as Lagares. Then these small tricks we all know.
Zip tie shark fin rotor guard here. That thing's super tough and super important for Extreme Enduro.
Also different brake, rear disc.
Yeah, braking's our sponsor. Same size
Same size.
as standard, but
In the front, they do change here in front.
standard size floating rotor. So not a solid rotor.
Not a solid one.
Yeah, no solid.
Okay. Gearing.
Gearing for this race, we have Prolog set up right now. It's 1350, and for the main race, it's going to be 1352.
You're not riding with a cover in the front.
No.
Not necessary.
It causes more problems in the end.
More
Stuff getting
problems.
trapped in there, yeah. We run it for FIM when we ride FIM events, and it's required, but here, if it's not, I won't run it. Also, I'm filling this with silicone. That way, preventing it from filling up with mud or something.
So it keeps on flopping in.
Yeah.
I guess we got everything.
Yeah, man. I like it.
Thank you very much.
Lifting straps.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Especially for you.
That's a good one.
Thank you very much, Josh.
Welcome.